Happy New Month. Each sunrise brings a promise. Let us seek true peace and grow in holiness this month. Peace begins at home. With hearts open in prayer and kindness, we spark hope for the world around us. Peace flourishes where laughter rings and children from every nation play side by side, free from fear. Unity is found when all backgrounds come together, stronger as one, committed to justice and compassion. Holiness shines through forgiveness, choosing love in place of bitterness, even when it's hard. True holiness reaches out to heal, comforting, listening, and lifting up the brokenhearted. Serving others with compassion, we embody peace through even the smallest acts of kindness. Pursuing peace together, prayers uniting hearts for our families, communities, and nations. A city awakens with hope. Each new day is a fresh chance to sow peace and live with purpose. Teaching one another, growing together. Holiness finds root when we uplift and support every journey. Standing for truth, even when it's hard, makes the world safer and more just for all around us. Acts of service nurture global peace. Each helping hand plants seeds of hope and restores dignity. True holiness grows in quiet moments. Drawing close to God, we find strength for every challenge. Peace from above endures every storm. In Christ, we find courage to forgive and love deeply. Let this month bear witness to love. In every heart and home, let God's peace and holiness shine forth.